Love is kapag naglalakad tayo, tapos you always make sure na ikaw yung nasa side wherein nandun yung mga sasakyan. Tapos if ever na magpapalit tayo ng way, talagang nag-overtake ka sa akin or isa pinapauna mo ako para makapunta ka doon sa side na merong sasakyan.
Love is when you fall asleep on my shoulder habang nagbabiyahe tayo.
Love is kapag meron akong kinakain na food, tapos kapag ino-offer ko sa'yo yon, tapos tumatanggi ka, even though gusto mo din, tumatanggi ka kasi alam mong gusto ko yung food na yun, so hindi ka kumahagat, or kung kumagat ka man, maliit lang, kasi ayaw mong kinakain mo yung food ko na paborito ko.
Me, love is when pinapayagan mo akong maging parang playful around you. Like parang maging parang borderline isip bata. Yung okay lang yung sa'yo, that's love for me.
Okay. Ito ko naman. Love is kapag nagkukwento ako, tapos talagang you-listen attentively. Although sometimes kapag napalingon ka lang ng kaunti, hindi ka na naman kasi attentive eh.
Love is when hinahayaan mo akong magsalita without judgment. Kunwari, may bumabagabag sa isip ko. Hinahayaan mo lang akong magsalita on and on para lang, kasi alam mo naman na kailangan ko lang ng channel paglalabasan. That's love for me.
Love is kapag tinatali mo yung shoelace ko, or it's either inaayos mo yung yung shoe socks ko kasi madalas siyang mag-slide sa paa ko. That's it's love.
Love is when I'm seeing you na na-enjoy yung mga simple things na kaya ko hindi kahit the moment.
Love is when you're
Yun na, nag-apply na siya.
Love is when you're putting your hand on my waist kapag naglalakad tayo.
Nabablangko ako.
Wala ka man lang maisip na love for me? Love is when you're that. When you do that, love is that.
Love is when you compliment my progress. Kasi, di ba, nagsisession ako paminsan-minsan, madalang na lang. And love is when you compliment me in those. Kasi, madalang ako yung receive from anyone. And it's a big thing for me.
Okay. Love is kapag kinikiss mo ko on my forehead, kapag hinatid mo ko sa sakayan ng tricycle.
Love is when you make me feel like you can count on me. I really like it when you make me feel like I am someone you can rely on.
Love is when you always compliment me even on the smallest thing that I did. Like, kunyari, I cleaned my room, or or kunyari, basta anything that I did. Even a short or smallest achievement, lagi mo ko compliment.